Hi, I'm Chris with the POE Depot and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I'd like to go over one of our POE switches. It's one of the newest in the lineup. It is the SW2402.3at. It's a 24 port, 220 watt POE switch designed specifically for IP cameras. So we're going to open up the box here, take a look inside. Got some real nice packaging. And the accessories. Move that out of the way. Obviously we have the switch itself. The switch itself is made out of a nice aluminum body. Very good quality. It's actually a pretty hefty switch. If you take a look in the back here, we have our port for our cooling fan for ventilation, a AC power connector, and then an on and off switch to power cycle the device quickly. Here's a couple of the accessories that come with the device. Here's obviously your power cord. It's a 3-prong US style power adapter. We're using 110, 120 volt AC power. Additionally, it comes with some mounting brackets. Mounting brackets would be for rack mounting. So if you were to take the switch and put it into a server rack, there's some holes on either side for you to attach for rack mounting if you wanted to put it into a server rack. It's 1U thick if you were to do so. And then the device itself, looking at the front of it, we obviously have our POE ports, 24 POE ports, 220 total watt output for the device. So if all ports are in use, that gives you a little over 9 watts per port, which isn't a lot comparatively, but it's more than enough for most IP camera situations. Most IP cameras usually consume about 3 to 7 watts for each one of your IP cameras. So if you want to do a larger IP camera setup, this is absolutely ideal as long as you don't have a camera that requires additional power. And obviously if you have fewer ports in use, more power can be provided to each one of the individual ports, if not all 24 are in use. There are several uplink options for you over here. We have 2 gigabit uplink ports, so that is a data transfer speed of 1000 Mbps for your 2 uplink ports to connect back to the network. Additionally, if you wanted to connect this to a fiber setup, instead of using our gigabit uplink ports, it has 2 SFP fiber ports that we can use as well. Additionally, on the switch, there's the indicators for connectivity for each one of your cameras, and then you also have an indicator for POE. This device has PD detection, so even if you were to hook up a computer or some other device that doesn't require POE power, the POE switch recognizes that it's not a POE device and will not supply power to it in order to burn it out. So it's absolutely safe for any of your non-powered devices. But it's a very nice switch, very cost effective in comparison to a lot of the other ones that are out on the market here. That's generally an overview of our switch. If you have any additional questions, contact us at sales@poedepot.com or give us a call toll free Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 Central, 866-514-8998. Thank you.